4 months into 2019 and some of you are still telling nothing but lies. What's up, everybody? It's your girl TJ here, back with another video, Talks with TJ, aka TJ Two Swoosh Change. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Every video, if you do tune in, definitely because you're a subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for always engaging in the comment section. If you're brand new here, thank you for tuning into this video. I have no idea why you are here, what brought you here, but I appreciate it. Hopefully you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am on the road to 10K by the end of 2019. I definitely think I can get there with your help. And just so you know, especially if you are new here, yeah, that's not a joke that this is, I do have a free giveaway every single day on my channel. It is a budgeting ebook that I wrote for free for you all to have, read, use it to be able to better manage your money so that you can take care of all of your needs, your necessities, your essentials of life of today and tomorrow. That means paying off some debt and saving money, but also allowing yourself room to treat yourself without feeling guilty, because you shouldn't feel guilty about wanting to do nice things for yourself. It's just, it's human nature. So let's just go about human nature a smart way. All right, now that that is completely all out of the way, yeah, you guys 100%, you heard what I said. You heard what I said before the intro rolled. Some of you are still lying to yourselves. We are 4 months into this year pretty much, and y'all lying about sneakers and a whole lot more. When it comes to sneakers, a lot of y'all are lying, saying that y'all not gonna go after every single release that comes out. I mean, and we're flooded with them. We're flooded with releases now, saying you won't go after every single release now, no matter what the hype is behind it, just because it's got some, you know, it's got some buzz behind it. You're not just gonna go after every single release because you've been there, done that, and you realize it didn't pay off in the long run when it came to your collection. And yeah, that's lie number one. Lie number two, a lot of you have been telling, it may not be related to sneakers, but that I'm going to change in terms of my well-being, taking care of my body, getting active an hour a day. I don't care how you're being active, but getting active an hour a day, changing how I eat, not just filling my body with total crap junk all the time, acting as if I can somehow swap out this body for new ones. Yeah, a lot of y'all been lying, saying that 2019 was going to be the year you finally got it turned around, and here you are. Here you are. Same weight, same size, ain't nothing changed. Still sitting on that couch all the time. Still not going to the gym all the time. Like there's so much, and this is just being real with you. This is being real with you. This is just being real with you. The third one, for a lot of people, and this definitely ain't related to sneakers, but for a lot of people, you know, you said that you were going to change yourself, and there are so many things about ourselves that we all probably need to change and work on. And if you feel that there isn't, I don't need to talk to you, because you have to be the least self-aware person in the world, and I couldn't be around you. But maybe there was something that you wanted to change about yourself in terms of how you carry yourself, how you handle situations, how you navigate stress and communicate, and just any number of things. You said that you were going to change, and you ain't put in a damn bit of work when it comes to that either, have you? Because some of the real truths are, let's get to the truth. Some of the real truths are, some of you said you were going to stop buying every single sneaker that just comes out, and at this point every brand seems to release a new damn sneaker every single day. You said you were going to stop that, but now you're looking at shoes you've already bought in 2019 with regret because the hype died down, wasn't what you thought it was going to be, and now you're already planning your next big sale because you don't want the shoe. Thought you were gonna stop when it came to the hype. I thought you were gonna stop, okay? And for the second truth, for the people that say, you know, I don't have time to go to the gym. If you had time to spend 4 or 5 hours of your day scrolling on social media, on Netflix when you got home, doing nothing, I'm guilty of some Netflix, you know, binges myself, okay? I finished, what was it? What did I watch? I can't even think of it now, and I feel really bad, but I watched the whole season. It was like 6 episodes. I watched the whole thing last Saturday. So I'm not saying that I do not partake when it comes to binging, but just understand, you say that you don't have time, but you definitely found the time to do whatever you thought was important. It just wasn't your health. Don't say you don't have time. Just say it's not of importance to you. How about that? For the people that said there are things about yourself that you want to change, if you're still acting in the very same ways you were that caused the very same problems that you were going through last year, if you can look around at others, hopefully you have this self-awareness, you can look around at others and how they act and how they carry themselves and how they are going about life and poor choices, and you say, I don't like that. That's terrible. That's despicable. That's not really becoming of somebody. But then if you hold that mirror up, it's the exact same way that you act. How much better are you? Like, you're doing the exact same thing. Thought you said you were gonna change that. And this isn't taking shots at anybody. It's just the fact that all of us, in some way, have some things that we probably said that we were gonna change come 2019, and we just lied. We just flat out lied to ourselves. You lied to yourself. You lied to him. You lied to her. You probably lied to everybody. So let's just stop lying at this point and just take some charge, man. Just take some charge for your life. Just a wake-up call on a Monday for the fact that we're heading into May. We're already heading into May of 2019. Just take some charge of your life as an adult, as an individual. The only thing you can truly control is yourself. The only thing you actually have power over is your own self-destruction. So please do not self-destruct because you want to keep playing around with not actually following through with anything that you said you were going to follow through. How about that? Can we try that? Hopefully we can try that for the rest of 2019. So thank you for viewing this video. No, it wasn't 100% geared towards sneakers, but guess what? A lot of stuff on my channel is not all geared towards sneakers, and I'm perfectly fine with that, to bring you something a little bit different and to hopefully help you think just a little bit more. As always, peace out.